Okay, so it's the night of the new moon, and I have gotten super high and impromptu decided that I want to film a terrible quality vlog about my thing. So I actually have all these jars on my altar that I have not used, and I'm gonna make hella moon water. Also, say hello to Pickle. Pickle, pickle, pickle. Pickles! Oh, hi. So when I make moon water, I prefer to have a candle out and to have my incense. I like to insert my intention for exactly what I want the moon to enhance and add into the natural properties of that this water already has. And so I like to best set my intentions and make them known to the universe like this. Also, this is my altar. These are some eggshells and crystals and ingredients that I have. I have books and more candles, and I also have some stuff down here. But yeah, if you want an altar tour, you gotta let me know. It looks a lot cooler without flash, but I decided to put bay leaf and eucalyptus and some St. Paulo, the end of a stick I have in there, and light on fire, and to use that as my censer instead. So just a little update. Also, I took a quiet minute and set my intentions and, really attuned. Time to go put this outside.
You want to use something crazy?
So I've just woken up. It is like 9:50, and I did not wake up for my 4 a.m. 4:30 alarm. So my moon water's still out there, I guess. And Pickles has decided to attack me, so that's fun. It's like kitty jaws. Okay, so it's a little better than it was in here. Miss Pickles got a snack and some fresh water. Hi, Pickles. And so laundry started. Got all of our shoes confined to one area. It's a work in progress, people. Got 2 people, a cat, and a giant altar in this room. So, and a whole ass TV. So there's been an update in my day. My boyfriend Brendan just texted me and told me that he's feeling really, really nauseous. He's at work right now. And he almost threw up twice. I think he's going to be coming home. So I'm really glad that I was able to get the space cleaned up a bit more. I guess I'll give you a sneak peek. But a few things on the floor that I still need to take care of, but got everything mostly nice and clean and. But I hope that my boyfriend feels better, and hopefully, if he does end up coming home, I'll be able to like make him feel better. I guess I don't know. I hope. Okay, so luckily I just finished straightening up the room, and my boyfriend texted me and said that. So okay, we were gonna try and see if my mom could come and pick him up, because even though it's only like a mile and a half, a little bit more, and but she is not home right now, and so and we don't have a car right now. It's broken. We're working on it, so I'm gonna bike down to our halfway point, and then hopefully, and then bring him some water and some smoke and see if that helps him calm his nausea and stuff, and then we're gonna head home together. So that's what I'm getting ready right now. Gotta leave the house. Alrighty, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog. I ended up going down to the park and meeting my boyfriend, and then we went home. I fried up this chicken breast and had garlic parmesan sauce, corn, and some barbecue. And this is my hair this morning, actually, for no reason, just because it looks huge. So, yeah, have fun with that. And come back and watch my next vlog.